Forget everything you know about iPhones. Because the iPhone 17 just changed the game. The screen fades to black, and suddenly a sleek silhouette emerges from the darkness. Pulsing lights dance across its surface, revealing glimpses of a device that seems to defy reality. As the camera pans around, we see it. The iPhone 17, a marvel of technology that looks like it's been plucked from the pages of a sci-fi novel. The phone's body is a seamless expanse of transparent glass, so clear you can see right through it. But don't be fooled. This isn't just for show. The edge-to-edge screen wraps around the entire device, creating an immersive display that makes your current phone look like a relic from the Stone Age. But hold on to your hats, folks, because we're just getting started. Remember Siri? That helpful little AI assistant that sometimes struggles to understand your pizza order? Well, she's got a new big sister, and she's about to blow your mind. The iPhone 17 comes with a built-in AI assistant so advanced, it makes Siri look like a flip phone calculator. This new AI doesn't just answer your questions. It anticipates your needs before you even ask. It learns your habits, predicts your schedule, and can even compose emails in your writing style. It's like having a personal assistant, life coach, and mind reader all rolled into one. And the best part, it actually understands sarcasm. Finally, an AI that gets your jokes. Now, picture this. You're FaceTiming your bestie to show off your new haircut, but instead of a flat image on a screen, their holographic form appears floating above your phone. That's right. The iPhone 17 brings sci-fi dreams to life with its revolutionary hologram display. Your long-distance relationships just got a whole lot closer. Imagine watching movies in 3D without those goofy glasses, or playing games where the characters literally jump out of your phone. It's not just a feature. It's a portal to another dimension right in the palm of your hand. But wait, there's more. Remember the good old days when your phone could barely make it through dinner without needing a charge? Those days are ancient history. The iPhone 17 comes with a battery so powerful it lasts an entire week on a single charge. That's right. 7 full days of scrolling, streaming, and selfie-taking without ever seeing that dreaded low battery warning. Gone are the nights of desperately searching for an outlet at the bar, or carrying around a portable charger bigger than your actual phone. With the iPhone 17, your battery anxiety is officially cancelled. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds amazing, but what's the catch? How much is this miracle device going to cost me? Well, brace yourselves, because the price tag might just make you need a defibrillator. Cut to a meme of people dramatically fainting in an Apple store, wallets flying out of their pockets. But hey, can you really put a price on the future? Think about it. Your current phone probably spends half its life plugged into a wall, begging for electricity like a needy toddler. And let us not even talk about those yearly upgrades that basically just add a new camera lens and call it revolutionary. The iPhone 17 isn't just another incremental update. It's a quantum leap into the future of mobile technology. No more fumbling with chargers, no more squinting at tiny screens, no more AI assistants that think you want directions to Mama's spaghetti when you ask for the nearest Italian restaurant. This is the phone that finally delivers on all those promises tech companies have been making for years. It's not just smarter, it's practically sentient. It's not just a communication device. It's a window into alternate realities. And it doesn't just fit in your pocket. It practically disappears. Remember when phones were just for making calls? Yeah, neither do we. The iPhone 17 is more like a personal teleportation device that happens to also send texts. It's the kind of technology that makes you wonder if we're living in 2025 or 2525. But don't take our word for it. Let's hear from some totally real, not at all made-up users who've had the chance to try out the iPhone 17. I asked my iPhone 17 to order me a pizza, and it not only placed the order, but also started a workout routine to help me burn off the calories. It's like having a personal trainer and enabler in one. Sarah, definitely a real person. The hologram display is so realistic. I tried to high-five my mom during a call and ended up smacking my coffee table. Worth it. Mike, who may or may not exist, I haven't charged my phone in 5 days, and it's still at 80%. I'm starting to think it runs on magic and unicorn tears. Emily, who is totally not a figment of our imagination, of course. With great power comes great responsibility. The iPhone 17 is so advanced, it might just outsmart its users. Don't be surprised if you wake up one day to find your phone has redecorated your apartment, rescheduled all your meetings, and signed you up for salsa classes. Because it decided you needed more spice in your life. But that's the price we pay for progress, right? Sure, your phone might develop a mind of its own, but at least it'll have great taste and impeccable time management skills. Now, we know what you're thinking. This all sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? Well, aside from the price tag that might require you to sell a kidney, don't worry, the AI assistant can probably help you find a buyer. There's really no downside, unless you count the existential crisis you might have when you realize your phone is smarter than you are. But let's be real. We passed that point years ago. Might as well embrace our new AI overlords, especially when they come in such a sleek, transparent package. So, are you ready to step into the future? Are you prepared to own a device that's part smartphone, part crystal ball, and part loyal companion? Do you have the courage to wield technology so advanced it makes current phones look like two tin cans connected by a string? If you answered yes to any of these questions, or if your current phone is held together with duct tape and prayers, then the iPhone 17 is for you. It's not just a new phone. It's a portal to possibilities you never even imagined. Forget everything you thought you knew about smartphones. Forget the endless charging, the clunky updates, the AI assistants that can barely understand English. The iPhone 17 isn't just changing the game. It's creating a whole new playing field. This isn't just a phone, it's the future in your hands. iPhone 17.